Hey there friends, it's Suzanne and I am here because there's about a month left to sign up for the 2023 Tuscany Retreat and save $1,000. And so I wanted to just talk a little bit about the intention of that retreat, just in case you were interested and you weren't really sure what we do, right? So I think the main thing that I've taken away, this is like maybe my 6th retreat that I've given in Tuscany, and what I've come to really understand is that for what I like to offer is kind of in a more of an immersion in Italian culture, Italian food. We're going to look at the art and the history when we're in Florence for 2 days, and there's not a lot of yoga and meditation, especially those first 2 days. And then we do go to Spannocchia, which is an 800-year-old estate. It's an organic farm. It's like, these are amazing people who really honor the land and the traditional ways that people have lived in this land. And it's one of the great landscapes of the world. And what I love about being out there in the countryside is there is a very deep silence, which is wonderful. And they have a fabulous yoga room. So we do some yoga and meditation on those days. But I've also found that those practices can bring up a lot for people. And my intention is to support you with yoga and not necessarily to like dive deep into practice and, you know, transcend all the boundaries and all that stuff. I just want us to have, I really like rest. I like food. There's beautiful wine. And then we go out, you know, I think we're going to Montepulciano, which is like gorgeous vineyards, beautiful hill town, and then we go to the mineral baths or the termes, which is a incredible way to relax and restore for the day. So my intention is to really support wellness, to look at Italian culture and be immersed in it, and to take away memories that you will hopefully treasure. And then us being together, like that is the magic, right? Just like having dinner together, having lunch together, going for walks. I mean, it's just a time to connect to people. And it's really just a wonderful experience. So if you're interested, if you want to chat more with me, you know, just connect. If you want to sign up, you can sign up with a $500 deposit. There's a link in my bio. And if you sign up before March 20th, you save $1,000. It's like an amazing deal, you guys. So I'd love you to join me. And thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye.